Well, welcome back to Cold Meggedon, day 3. So what we're testing here is a couple of subsystems that are detachable but could be used together. This is a 1.28 kilowatt unit that's running this space heater here. And that's another 2.3 kilowatt unit that is intended to also connect to the solar system. So the idea is that you'd be able to use both of those together as needed, if needed. Hopefully you wouldn't need that. And then of course there's snow over here, just wondering what's going on here with all this testing. Sniffing out the 2.3 kilowatt system, wondering why it's where she normally hangs out. Anyways, that's all we have for today. It's another 10-degree night.